So as practical as it can be, it just hits home the the thriller horror aspect of it a bit more. So the shooting the golf course scene was fun.
Look who's here, Rajiv.
Yeah.
Hello, Rajiv.
What's up?
Hi. Hello. Hi.
तुम वापस आ गए अतीत.
अतीत वापस आ गया.
But actually, we want Atit back, huh? The new normal is not looking so exciting.
Yeah, I know. मैं वैसी भी लुक में ही आया हूँ मैं. Imagine कौन सा एक्टर है जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए अपने लुक पे काम करता है.
हाँ वो भी है.
वो तेरा कमेंट भी आ गया. राजीव इतना हैंडसम भूत. उफ.
अतीत 10 साल.
ये मेरे प्लांट किए हुए लोग हैं.
अच्छा. Rajiv, welcome to the web conference. मुझे बताइए, another great feather in the cap, artist to work with. How's it been? आपका कैरेक्टर इसमें क्या कर रहा है? कैमियो कर रहा है, बट रोल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैंने सुना है.
जी, अतीत है. सब नाम के लिए अतीत है. वैसे बाय द वे ये प्रिया मनी और संजय ने इतनी स्क्रीन स्पेस ले ली कि मेरे लिए जगह नहीं छोड़ी इन लोगों ने.
Everybody went like this. This is a screenshot moment now.
This is a screenshot.
Let's do this screenshot. Rajiv, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये कर लेते हैं.
No, so my character is basically me and Sanjay. We are buddies in the army. और उसके बाद एक टाइम पे हम किसी मिशन पे जाते हैं और मिशन पे कुछ होता है, मतलब मेरी मौत हो जाती है. ऐसा सबको लगता है कि मेरी मौत हो गई है और उसके बाद the whole world takes me as dead, but I come back after 10 years. 10 साल के बाद मैं वापस आया था where everyone has moved ahead in their life. तो संजय का कैरेक्टर हो, प्रिया का कैरेक्टर हो, they all moved ahead in life. And प्रिया और मेरी शादी हो चुकी थी जिस टाइम पे ये इंसिडेंट होता है और कुछ साल इंतजार करने के बाद प्रिया भी अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ जाती है और उसके बाद अचानक 10 साल के बाद मालूम पड़ता है कि अतीत वापस आ गया. अब नाउ तनुज ने बड़े सोच समझ के नाम रखा होगा कैरेक्टर का और फिल्म का, because it just goes along with it कि अतीत वापस आ गया means obviously past वापस आ गया, and past वापस आ गया means that also means that character अतीत वापस आ गया. So yeah, that is the premise. और उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसके बाद में किसकी जिंदगी में कितना उथल पुथल होता है, that is what the story is all about.
मैं एक्चुअली आप सबको यही पूछना चाहता था कि when there's a movie like that, there's a thriller, पीछे लास्ट में कोई एक सस्पेंस होता है, कहानी में कोई ट्विस्ट होता है, while doing conferences and interviews बहुत मुश्किल होता होगा तो contain it to yourself कि यार भी क्या बोलूं क्या नहीं बोलूं, अरे इसमें थोड़ा रिवील कर दूंगा, I'll give away the plot.
इतने ऐसे थोड़ी ना, 18 साल हमने ऐसे थोड़ी ना कोई अटेंड किया हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, हमें सब पता है क्या करने का है, क्या बोलने का.
मूवी तो रिलीज हो चुकी है अब आपके प्लेटफॉर्म पे, तो अब
वो तो है.
चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, अब शायर हो ना.
अच्छा, क्योंकि अभी राजीव भी यहाँ पर एक क्विक रैपिड फायर कर लेते हैं. आई थिंक इसे क्विक रैपिड, अभी रेडियो जॉकी है तो अभी रैपिड फायर तो करना पड़ेगा. दैट गोस विदाउट.
देखिए मूवी में लास्ट बार रैपिड फायर किया था तो ठीक नहीं रहा था अतीत के लिए. तो सोच लीजिए आप. Too much.
चलो क्विक क्वेश्चन पहले प्रिया मनी को पूछेंगे. One advice that you will give to your Atit self, मतलब आप the say 10 years earlier, आप क्या दोगे? You would have given yourself.
One advice I would give my Atit self.
Yes.
Nothing. I love the way I was. I love the way I am. I am what I am because of my past. So I won't change anything.
I love the confidence. It's full nazar utaro material. It's brilliant. पूछेंगे राजीव, वो कौन सी एक चीज है जो आप अतीत में जाके चेंज करना चाहते, कोई लाइफ का इंसिडेंट, कोई इवेंट जो आप कर सकते तो करते?
मेरी लाइफ का कोई इंसिडेंट चेंज करना चाहता तो मे बी आई थिंक थोड़ा सीरियस मामला है, मतलब work wise nothing again like Priya. I would say whatever I am, whoever I am is because of whatever I did in the past. But one thing that I may want to change is when my mom was a little unwell, she passed away last year. तो मैंने कुछ लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट चुने थे and I was kind of very adamant कि मैं उनको इसी तरह से करूँगा, and I took a lot of calls. And now because she's not there and तो हमेशा लगता है कि यार मैंने वो नहीं किया होता तो शायद ऐसा हो जाता. So that probably, if I get an opportunity, I'll go in for some other line of treatment and maybe hope that it revives her. So that is the only thing that it just comes straight away in my head कि मैं क्या change करना चाहूँगा अपने past में.
That's quite actually, that's a nice thought, अपने उनके बारे में. पूछना चाहूंगा कि संजय, what is that one similarity between you and Vishwa?
What's the?
One similarity between you and Vishwa, and everybody's laughing on that joke. I want to know the joke as well.
See, our worlds ended at Janvi, right? So Janvi's the similarity between us.
Between Sanjay and Vishwa.
Hey,
इसको पसंद? अरे
No,
गाली
hey,
दे
it's a
उसको।
compliment. It's a compliment.
कमाल है, तुम कॉम्प्लीमेंट ले सकती नहीं हो प्रिया क्या?
hey, fine.
It's a compliment
Fine.
because our world begins and ends with her in the movie, right?
Yeah. Thanks for clarifying that, Sanjay.
Yeah, he said in the movie, right?
No, he said similarity between Sanjay
You-
and Vishwa.
And Vishwakarma.
Sanjay, oh, he said Vishwa and Atit. Okay, okay.
Oh,
No, he's dodging the question. I can clearly see.
No. Okay, I
उसके लिए
think
भी
yeah,
answer
there is one similarity which comes through like without even thinking. We both love outdoors.
Okay, you both. So quarantine is.
No, that's okay. We can handle it. But generally, he's an outdoor person. I'm an outdoor person. So I think that really is one connect. He cycles all over the country, etc., etc. I try and run. I try and chase Milind Soman wherever he's running, but I can't. He's way ahead. But jokes apart, yeah, I love the outdoors. I grew up in the mountains, and Rajiv, coming from an army background, I think he also has that exposure of the country, the countryside. So I think we both, that's our similarity.
Tanuj से पूछेंगे कि what was your second choice for the movie name, if not Atit?
It started off as, actually we had like a couple of names for this. We started off with Battalion, then it went Aswang, and then finally it came to Atit. And I think I'm pretty happy with Atit. I fought with my producers for saying that we keep this name regarding this thing, because I didn't want it to be too on the nose regarding the characters of Atit coming back and going on.
Can we expect an Atit 2? Matlab, everybody wants to know. Yes, sequel is in the...
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
no.
Now, because Rajiv is running short on time, is going to leave us. Before we continue the webinar and the chat, we'll screen grab, screenshot, bring on your best smiles. I really have to search for one. And
No, you're doing pretty good. Yeah, Richie. Yeah, that's slightly. Can I see your teeth? Yeah. All right. Yeah,
Sanjay, always.
Sanjay, by the way, you may not know, I don't look educated, but I'm actually a dentist. Like very few people.
Oh my God.
Really?
Yeah, जरा देख जरा.
मैंने गिन लिया है. कौन से रात का रूट कनाल है, कौन सा कैप है.
During the
That's the doctors.
Sanjay,
You meet them at a party, you immediately start talking about your problems.
Sanjay, you do realize that there are other people watching this.
It's like
yeah.
you think with gray hair I care. But anyway, they're having fun. I'm seeing the comments. They're nice.
Yeah, I'm reading, and half the comments are only for Rajiv.
मैंने कहा ना, मैं बैठे I came late only because I had to plant these people.
You're in Goa. Are you in Goa?
So
Are you in Goa right now?
Most of them are my relatives.
No.
Rajiv, are you in Goa right now?
I don't know if Rajiv's going to stay with us, but if we can, we have some questions from the media as well.
Let's take the questions.
Yeah.
Sanjay, you were asking me something?
You're sitting in Goa?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Stay there.
Jealous.
Yeah, see, half the people are saying, Rajiv, please don't go.
I'm here and all that. Rajiv,
Yeah.
आपका experience कैसा था on working on a horror movie? ऐसे रोशनी चौधरी ने पूछा है.
See, the experience was very different, very, very different because एक तो I would call this a Tanuj film because Tanuj ने बहुत sweetly आके ना बोला था कि आप ना जो भी कुछ करो, but just trust me, हर shot में just trust me because मैं कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता है special effects कब डालने हैं, क्या डालना है, I'm going to put the film together. So it was very difficult जहाँ पे you surrender completely yourself in the hands of the director and let the director shape up the whole film. So this is a completely Tanuj film, it will. I would like to believe that. और experience बहुत different इसलिए भी था because हम लोग बहुत खूबसूरत location में shoot कर रहे थे. We were shooting in Kunur. ठंड थी अच्छी खासी. मैं प्रिया को पहली बार मिला था and संजय से पहली बार मिल रहा था. I don't know, Sanjay and Priya, did you guys know each other before the film?
No.
नहीं. तो हम तीनों के तीनों अनजान थे और हम लोग वहाँ पे shoot करने we were in Kunur and for some odd reason similar people in terms of like approach. Priya would actually pack up के बाद में अपना काम, संजय अपनी दुनिया में, मैं अपनी दुनिया में. So it was a very nice vibe that we shared, all three of us. कहीं पे कभी कोई issue नहीं हुआ. Tanuj is a young guy, full of life all the time. मैं दौड़ता रहता था, भागता रहता था सारे टाइम. जब मौका मिलता था मुझे लोकेशन पे ही भाग के पहुंचता था. कोशिश करता था कि प्रिया मनी को चॉकलेट पहुंचा दूं किसी तरह से, पर वो मेरी चॉकलेट लेती थी. You were on chocolates, Priya, all the time. Were you not?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't have to
Is
lie.
that what she told you? She told me she's on coffee.
Most of the time.
तनुज कॉफी चॉकलेट खाती रहती थी कि नहीं खाती रहती थी?
What nonsense! Who's feeding you all this, Rajiv?
नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में तुम्हारे पास, don't you remember that you said कि चॉकलेट स्टार्टिंग के अंदर that I'm missing
वो
chocolate?
मैं नहीं थी. That was Sana.
Priya didn't, but you
Krishna.
also kept playing Ludo most of the time, na?
I was like Ludo. Yes. Ludo और chocolate. Ludo का है, chocolate का
चल
है.
ठीक है.
Yeah, with a staff, that Ludo,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I
we had a
do
good
play.
time also.
by the way.
Yeah, so coming back, we had a good time. We had a good time because we had a very nice unit, I guess. All of us, we were very friendly and very chilled out atmosphere.
Even the entire crew and the producer, and we had some and lovely environment. Kunur, it was so beautiful.
Yeah,
It was just
that
so
Lovedale school, yeah, what fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right. The Z5 ka people have prompted me कि no more questions for Rajiv. Rajiv may be short on time.
राजीव रुक
राजीव,
जा ना,
आप-
तुसी ना जाओ ना राजीव, तुसी ना जाओ.
ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अब तो ये बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं.
संजय, मेरी समस्या सिर्फ ये हो गई कि इस एक साथ में ना, मैं डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में इस समय मेरे बड़े सारे प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे हैं. तो मैं इसको इंटरव्यू, उसका इंटरव्यू खत्म कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कौन सा वाला इंटरव्यू खत्म कर रहा हूँ. So I have another thing lined up, but I'll take a few more questions. I don't feel like leaving Sanjay and Priya, by the way.
How sweet.
Okay,
Don't
how
go.
sweet. How
Rajiv, don't
sweet.
go.
Aw.
Let's move forward.
Okay, Rajiv, another question for you. Saida has asked the actors who's played so many kinds of roles. So what makes you choose a role? How do you select a role?
I just go by my instincts. I don't think I may look intelligent from a distance, but I think I have got no intelligence here. I just go by my heart. It's all about heart. I get emotional when I read a script, and I probably figure out कि director कैसे हैं, team कैसी है, co-actors कैसे हैं. The basic setup. I'm not the guy who calculates the setup also a lot. कि यार कैसा setup है, बड़ा है, कितना release होगा, क्या होगा. I think I go by purely by my instincts, and sometimes it just goes in your favor, sometimes it doesn't go in your favor. But I still and will going ahead also. I think I'll probably go by my instincts.
Stop it.
Yeah.
And this one question I want to ask all of you guys. Everybody has a booth story. Okay, everybody has like a मेरा experience रहा है. I heard something, I saw something. मैंने कुछ महसूस किया. Oh God, वहाँ पे तो कोई था. आपका कोई ऐसा experience रहा है?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे मतलब डायरेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं था, बट मेरे फादर के राजस्थान में एक छोटे से गांव से बिलोंग करते हैं. तो मेरा सेटअप देखो कितना कमाल का है. गांव राजस्थान का एक छोटा सा गांव है, जहां पर मैं गया था. एंड उस गांव के अंदर बहुत ही कम आबादी है. मतलब इट्स कॉल्ड कालंद्री. द विलेज नेम इज कालंद्री. सो आई वेंट देयर. आई रिमेंबर फादर के साथ में हम लोग बचपन में एक बार वहां पे गए थे, और वहां पे एक अंडरग्राउंड वाटर बॉडी थी. मतलब स्टेयर्स जाते हैं नीचे, और जाके नीचे वाटर बॉडी है. So we were on top, and dad and मंदिर भी है छोटा सा अंदर. When I remember हम ऊपर खड़े थे, and somebody told me that कि पापा में दादाजी घुस गए, मेरे दादा की आत्मा आ गई है. And हम तो instead of running towards my father, I think we ran towards our house कि ये क्या हो गया. But it was elders also, and that freaked us out कि पापा के दादा की आ गई. And then Papa, when he came back, he was all shaken. He was पता नहीं उनको क्या हुआ था. I don't know, but that was the only incident that was closest to the other world वाला जब मामला होता है. Otherwise, I don't believe in ghosts, so I don't see ghosts. I encounter any ghosts that way.
Okay. Everybody is calling you the handsome ghost of the movie. I'm not going to comment on that. Watch the movie Dar Ke. But Rajiv, could you stick around for more? ये लोग बोलेंगे तो आप रुकोगे या मैं बोलूँ क्या?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. मुझे ऐसे importance मत दो मेरे को. I'll probably stick around. Don't keep asking me. I'll tell you. मैं देख रहा हूँ. एक सेकंड. मेरे पास फोन ही है मेरे पास में. So continue, please.
Hi.
No,
continue. Yeah. Okay, continue. I'm going to ask Priya also here. Priya, everybody who's married names their spouses जब हम भूत की बात करते हैं. which is the other experience you've had, which has come close to like, oh my god.
No. See, now see this, whether ghosts are there, whether spirits are there, it's a very debatable topic, and I have not had
Correct.
any first-hand experience about it, so I really can't say anything about it. But I do hear, and I have read a lot of a lot of stories that people have come across. I mean, they've experienced some paranormal stuff and spirits and things like that. But I've not had any first-hand experience, so I really can't say whether they exist or they don't exist. I've not had any experience. But talking about horror and the horror genre and the supernatural thing and all, I'm a big fan of all that. So I watch a lot of movies and series based on all this. So yeah.
Okay, how did you prepare for your character in Ateet? And what are your tips for budding actors, especially during quarantine, who can look at the mirror and practice a little?
You're actually asking the wrong person. You can ask Sanjay. Sanjay will be able to tell you the what tips and.
Okay,
Or
question
you,
shifts.
my God, what acting, Sanjay? Like as
No,
if
no, I
you
was
could
reading
hear the
some
question.
comments about.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay, my preparation for this, I didn't prepare much. Mine's just
natural.
I'm a very very natural, very spontaneous, on the spot sort of a thing. And basically, I just go with my instinct, as in I given a situation, if I were put in this in a similar situation in real life, how I would probably react. That's how I go. So I don't, until and unless, I mean, it also depends on the director. If they say go do your homework on character preparation and things like that, I generally don't do it, and I haven't done. And I hope, Tanuj, you're happy with the way we
Yeah.
perform.
I'm pretty
Tanuj sir,
happy.
I hope you're happy, sir.
Tanuj sir.
Yeah.
Tanuj, who is the biggest bully amongst these guys? I really want to know, because these guys look like ye sunte nahi hai ek baar mein.
Already picking a hand about that. It's already been answered for you.
What does she do? Like, what is she? Is she somebody who ekdam serious shot mein has degi piche se? What does she do?
Yeah, I think we were shooting. There was one scene where we were shooting, and Vipin Sharma was there in that, Sanjay, and that was the scene when we get to know that Rajiv's character has come back. Ateet has come back, and it was raining that time actually. And we wanted to get the shot done like really quickly, but everybody was laughing. I was like, "Yaar, barish roku, roku, kya kar rahe hain?"
I think Sanjay also remembers that scene where it was Vipin Sharma and that the other colonel was also there.
While watching the film, all the memories
just came back. Yes. So we all were just laughing, and we actually gave Tanuj a very hard time, and he's like, "Yeah, please, can we just do the shot?" And then you laugh. You're like, "No."
So Sanjay, what is the best reaction you've got from people who've seen Ateet? जिन्होंने काम देख लिया और picture देख ली और wow, ये अच्छा था.
I'll be very candid and very honest over here. They said, I wish first they would have seen it on the big screen. I'm sorry.
Yeah, actually.
I'll tell you why. There is especially this genre, even if on Z, because if everything's locked down, I understand. But we normally have previews, right? And private screening. So at least if there was a premiere or something, not because of anything else, but this experience in a dark room is something else. The sound design and these headphones cannot substitute for that cinematic experience, and that's how the film was shot. You'll see we've been doing a lot of web recently, and there's great emphasis on close-ups, and because you're closer to the audience, your screen is smaller. But here you can tell right from the opening sequence, the title sequence, the wide shots, beautiful scenery, creating that world. And then with horror, sound effects, the lights, the dim lighting, a lot of night shoots. So you actually see the texture in a big screen. And I hope when it opens down and Z organizes a big screening on the big screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of agree with Sanjay.
I was going to bring Rajiv and Tanuj on the same thing. कि आप लोग movie delay भी कर सकते थे और big स्क्रीन पे कर सकते थे, लेकिन इस टाइम पे आप लोगों ने लोगों को एंटरटेन करने के लिए ZEE5 पे इसे
Yeah,
entertain.
so I tell you what, I'll let Tanuj come in a little later, but I tell you, the truth is, Sanjay बहुत सही बोल रहे हैं, इस तरह की फिल्मों में cinematic experience एक बहुत अलग चीज होती है. So a lot is lost by getting the film on digital, but then I think we don't have much choice right now because पता नहीं ये लॉकडाउन कब खुलेगा, पता नहीं आगे जाके सिनेमा हॉल कब खुलेंगे, कब लोग जाएंगे. And right now, you know, you have to entertain people. So I can also imagine ये जितना तनुज पे क्या बीती होगी मैं समझ सकता हूँ. With all the sound design, with all those larger than बड़े-बड़े जो shots से action sequences थे जो छोटे लगते हैं, you know, on digital. But then if it manages to still entertain people, I think.
We're happy, but we're just saying that, you know, this could be one film which from digital goes to the screen for a few days. Yeah. That could be really, because this experience on a big screen would be something else.
So all the shots and the things which you have taken, the basic idea was loneliness and this guy coming back, he's not able to fit in with his wife, he's not, you know, able to get back to his life, what he wants to do. So all the shots which I had taken was supposed to be, you know, this huge grand vistas and this lonely figure out there alone. So my framing also comes under that. Plus the sound design, the way I played with drones and all that stuff in this movie was supposed to be according to a theatrical experience. But I'm actually very grateful and like fortunate to actually be in this environment because we don't know when the lockdown is going to get over, what is the theaters going to be like after this.
But, you know, that is like it's reaching another audience. Like my mom saw the film with me. She's 79, touchwood, and she was completely engaged, and she wouldn't have gone to the theaters, right?
Yes.
So that's the other thing. Of course, I had to keep my kid away. He said, "I want to see Atit. I want to see." You won't sleep tonight. So, but I can show some parts which won't, you know, give him a sleepless night. Yeah.
Okay, quick question for Priyamani. When are you doing your next movie with ZEE5? Is there something in the pipeline?
I have been listening to some scripts for ZEE5. So let's see.
Okay.
Maybe I'll make an announcement soon.
There must be something about the character that you must have really loved. एकदम immediately movie के लिए हाँ बोलने के लिए. Must some part
But मैं?
हाँ.
You're asking me?
Yes.
See, I basically love the whole narration of how Janvi struggles between her past and her present. And also she's a very bold woman. She's a very feisty mother, very protective, and you know she'd go to any lengths for her daughter. And though I have done the genre in the South quite a bit, for the Hindi audience, this was the first time I was doing something like this, and I think the way the way Tanuj has also treated the entire film is completely different from what I have, a couple of films in this same genre, what I've done down south. So I like the whole narration. I like the whole fact of Janvi's emotional roller coaster throughout the cinema. So that's why I said yes, and I think the moment I said yes, they got everybody else in, and then next thing you know, we packed our bags and gone to Kunur, and we started shooting there.
Nice. Tanuj, which was the most challenging character to write and sketch amongst these guys?
Atit, I think.
Atit, yeah, it was Atit. I had a very clear picture of who Vishwa is going to be and who Janvi is going to be. Atit's character was something which I had to figure out, like what will his struggle be? How do I want to treat him when he comes on screen? Like, do I want him to be overtly emotional? Do I want him to be contained? There needs to be some subtlety in it. So that is something which was a little hard for me to write. But fortunately, with Rajiv coming on board, he also got his talent and acting chops on board. So he also helped in shaping the character a little with his performance. Yeah. So it made my life easier while I was shooting. So
also,
so
right,
on
right,
that note,
right in the end, you know, what Rajiv's expressions, you know, even as a dead ghost, you know, your heart goes out to him.
Yes, actually.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys are so kind. On that note, I'll want to say
it's time to leave, buddy.
इससे पहले criticism आ जाए.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Thank you. All the best. Enjoy Goa. We're already jealous.
Thank you so much, and lovely connecting with you, Priya and Sanjay. Lovely.
Nice connecting with you too.
You.
Bye,
Likewise.
Rajiv. Take care. Take care. Bye.
Stay safe. Bye.
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 Bye bye. Bye bye.